Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, July 7th, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed. We had what could best be described as a really crappy day today. I mean, I was kind of happy on Thursday when this Dow took off and really just cut through that 17,000 mark like a knife through hot butter. A hot knife through butter. And just no resistance there at all. And this morning, right on the open, that thing crashes down and goes back through the 17,000 mark. So that was a little scary. And we had 18 positions this morning, so we were pretty heavily invested. So we got hurt. I mean, we got slammed pretty bad. It just seems like nothing really went right today with what we were holding. We had a real good position, Parker Drilling, and that went to a loss, and practically everything went to a loss today. So not a good day for us. We ended up closing out just over $14,000 in losing trades. Now, the other problem I was having is I'm dealing with a software problem, and fortunately that is resolved. So starting tonight, I'm back to using my good software, and I'd like to blame it on the software. It wasn't the software; it was the system. We didn't do well, but it feels like it was the software. And then I'm kind of trying to transition from one platform to another, and it was not a good day for Trader Bob. I tell you, I'm glad that we're moving on to something else tomorrow. I also have revised the portfolio, we had a couple losing, nasty positions in markets that I'd already decided to dump, but I can't dump a negative trade, if we already got into it. So just not a good day. Anyway, we are carrying positive over $2,500 going into tomorrow, and as I say, I got my good platform back. So I'm real optimistic about tomorrow. Anyway, I'll show you the charts. Okay, we are looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you can see Thursday this just huge move up, and right here, this line here, that was the 17,000 mark, and it just slashed through that, never even hesitated or bounced off it, just cut right through it. And of course we ended up closing up very, very nicely on Thursday, and then this morning, bam, down it comes, and it got through that 17,000 mark again, and I was wondering, is it really going to crash here? But it bounces off it, and it did, and even though the Dow ended up closing down 44 points, we're still 21 points above the 17,000 mark. Now, here's what I'm looking at. Quite honestly, this looks to me like this thing is going to go up. It would not surprise me tomorrow if it just takes out these highs tomorrow. That wouldn't surprise me at all. But I'm going to tell you something. There is something a little bit intimidating about this pattern to me, because I do not want to get caught in this market trading sideways and then coming up and bumping its head on a ceiling up here, because we've been in that trap before and we get hurt quite badly in that kind of situation. So I want this market to either go up and take out these highs and move on, or I want it to sell off, because we do fine after the market sells off. We don't worry about a sell-off. That'd be fine, but I don't want it hanging up here and bumping its head on a ceiling for a prolonged period of time, because that really hurts. Anyway, tough day, no question about it. I don't have any decent charts to show you. I'm not going to try and show you anything. you wipe the blood off, you get up, and you fight another day. That's what we're going to do tomorrow. Anyway, Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.